my channel. It's your girl Okio. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to sew braided auto gele. You see the gele that is on my head? It is called the braided auto gele. So if you are new here for the first time, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and place a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think of this tutorial. So for the returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. And if you are new here, you are welcome. Biko, please subscribe. Press that subscribe button. Hoping to see you all in my next one. Bye bye. So I'm starting off with this material. This is my tape. I'm just trying to take my measurements. I am going to take 6 inches wide and 30 inches length in 6 places. I'm just trying to take the measurement, so just watch what I'm doing. Then I cut with my scissors one after the other. I will cut the 6 inches wide and 30 inches length I have measured in 6 places. So okay, I've done that in 6 places. So now take each one of them and fold it into 2 and sew and start sewing. So I'll sew up to midpoint. So I'll sew it up to midpoint. Then when I get to the midpoint, I will turn it to the inner side of the material. I'll bring the inner side of the material to the outer side. That is what I'm just trying to do over here. Just bringing it out. See? So when I'm done with that, I've ironed the 6 pieces of the material. So now, see, 6 pieces were ironed. So now I'll take only 3 of them. I'll take 3 pieces together and I'll align them. Then I'll sew it straight. See my line? I'll just sew it straight. So just watch what I'm doing. I'm just trying to sew it straight up. If you don't understand anything, put your question in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you all. Like and share this video with your friends, with your family. So see the way I'm sewing it. So when I'm done sewing, I'll start to braid. You know the way you braid your head, that is the same way you are going to braid this stuff. So you just braid it like this. I am braiding, see, with the help of someone else helping me to hold it so it can be tight and firm. So I'll braid it continuously until I get to the end. So now I've gotten to the end. I'm just trying to make everything is well aligned. See? So I'm doing. So now I'm going to sew the extreme end so that it doesn't lose. So when I'm done with that, I will now redo the remaining 3 the same way I did for the previous one. I'll braid it the same way. So when I'm done now, I have 2 of my braided material. I'll align the 2 of them like that. So I will take a material and measure 6 inches by 20 and cut it into half, which I'm going to use as my stripe. See the way I'm attaching it, then I will sew it. See? I'll attach it like that as my stripe. I'll just sew it down. through sewing the two stripe. See the way it's looking. So now I will not start sewing my two braided material together so that they can stand well and stand firmly together. That's what I'm just trying to do. I'm sewing it together. Just watch what I'm doing. You see, I'm just trying to sew it all the way to the end. So now this is it. See the way the two of them are standing now. It's standing well and firm. So see the way it is. Isn't it nice? So now this is the base which I've done already. If you don't know how to do your auto gele base, go and watch my previous auto gele tutorial. So I'll just attach this braided part to the base. See the way it is. I'll sew it like the way I've placed it on the base now. So I'll just start sewing, making sure it's well arranged on the base. That's what I'm just trying to do. So now I'll start sewing it on top of my base. I'm sewing it. I'll sew it until it gets to the end. Braided also gele. This is the way it's looking. Look at it. So now I'm going to show you guys how to wear this auto gele. I'll just place the auto gele on my forehead like this. You see the way it is? Then I'll turn to the back. So now So this is the braided auto Gele. See the way it's looking beautiful on me. Hope you love this tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give the video a thumbs up, like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll